In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and read TradingView heat maps. We'll keep this simple and clear. Start by opening your web browser and heading to TradingView's website. You don't need to sign in just to view the heat maps, so this is quick if you're just exploring. Once the page loads, look toward the top navigation bar for the Products menu. Hover your mouse over Products to reveal the submenus, then move to the Screeners section. In that panel, you'll see an option called Heat Maps. You can choose from stocks, ETFs, or crypto, depending on the market you want to analyze. Click the one that fits your focus today. After you land on the heat map, you'll see a grid of tiles, each representing an instrument. The size of each tile usually reflects relative size or importance, such as market capitalization for stocks, while the color shows performance. Greens typically indicate gains, reds indicate declines, and the intensity of the shade reflects how strong that move is. This gives you a fast, big picture view of where money is flowing and where pressure is building. Use the controls on the page to adjust what you're seeing. You can change the time frame to look at intraday moves or broader trends, filter by sector or industry to isolate a slice of the market, and sort by volume or percentage change to highlight activity or momentum. Hovering over any tile will show quick stats like current price and change. Clicking a tile usually opens more detail or a chart view, so you can move from the overview into deeper analysis without leaving the page. For stocks and ETFs, sector groupings help you spot leadership and laggards at a glance. If technology tiles are broadly green while defensive sectors are red, that tells you risk appetite is strong. For crypto, watch how majors compare to altcoins to gauge rotation. Heat maps can also hint at liquidity and market depth by surfacing where activity clusters, making it easier to identify potential trend, continuation, or reversal zones. A few quick tips to make the most of it. If you're comparing days, keep the same time frame for consistency. Combine the heat map with your regular screener to validate ideas. First scan visually, then drill into a shortlist. Remember that some data can be delayed based on your plan and the market, so confirm critical decisions on a live chart. That's it. By navigating to products, hovering over screeners, and choosing heat maps, you've unlocked a fast, visual way to assess stocks, ETFs, or crypto. Practice a few times, and it'll become a reliable first stop in your market workflow.